Hello friends, once again welcome back to Excel Home tutorial channel. Today we would like to talk about flash fill and concatenate. So what is the difference between those two, how those two work, what are the similarities, so how those functions work in Excel. Those are the functions which can help you save your time when you're working on any particular data. Okay, for example, I have a name and address here. If I need to combine those here, so I will simply just type only one. I'm not gonna type all those. So let's say Ram Khalifa A. I have just typed this, and next I go to the next column and simply I can find in data tab flash fill. I go to data tab, I click on flash fill. It will work. You see all those names and the address is combined itself, so I didn't have to work hard type all those. So now simply I'm going to delete. There is one more shortcut for that. So again you type from Khalifa A. Okay, so I have only typed one. Again I'm gonna, maybe I can go again data and flash fill. Rather than, I will choose shortcut Control plus E. It works the same way. You need to just press Control plus E button from your computer, so it will work as flash fill the same way. Okay, now we will talk about concatenate formula. So how concatenate formula works, let's see. Simply you need to press equals, of course, before the formula. Type concatenate, it's coming automatically, so you can press tab. Press tab. It's asking the text one. What is the text one? Text one is, okay, we take this and then we put comma. Now text 2 and close the bracket. You press enter. This is how the concatenate formula works. You drag it, see, everything has been combined, but the problem here is there is no space between those two, right? Ram Khalifa, there is no space. So what we need to do in order to create a space between those two, so it could work same as flash fill. Again we're gonna type the formula concatenate, select the first text, of course you need to put comma, and then with double quotes put a space between double quotes, one more double quotes, then comma. That determines that one space between those two texts. Then you need to select the second text and close bracket, sorry, bracket close. So this is how the formula should look like. If you want a space between the text, press enter. As you see, flash fill and concatenate works in the same manner. Now you can drag it down, both looks the same, right? This is the similarity, and the difference, of course, we need to add here for a space in case, or we can put anywhere. If you want more space, you can put double space either too if you want, or you can add any of the text, it will work. See, that's how D7 has been added in there. Okay, so those are the two functions which you can use, flash fill and concatenate, to join your data or even to separate them. Example, we will do it here. Flash fill equals, no need, you can just simply type, sorry, Ram, and next is Khalifa A. If you need to sort out your data in that manner, then you can simply do like this too. Go to the first column again, press Control and E, and go to the next column, press Control and E. You got the separate data altogether. That's how the flash fill works. All right, so I believe you got this. This is flash fill, yeah. And now we'll see how the concatenate. I'm going to delete this to have more space. We'll go to concatenate. How the concatenate can work. Okay, let me delete those two as well. I hope you got it. Okay, so these I'm gonna make, let's delete this too. Okay, starting from the basics, everything is new in here. Let's put some border. Okay, so how we gonna do it? Separate, like we need one more column. Okay, now if this data you combine and then you want to separate, example equals concatenate, you combined one, of course you need a space if you want, then space, comma, you join this, enter, you drag it. Okay, here you want to separate, so you need to do is equals concatenate, then you select one text, comma, you put two space, comma, that was comma, and you close the bracket. You get the same result as it is here. So this is the flow between concatenate and flash fill. Flash fill gives you the exact same amount of data, like you can sort it out, but in the concatenate you can only join the data, you can separate them. So let's delete this. So in order to sort out the data you can use flash fill, or in order to combine the data you can use concatenate. So both works the same way, but if you want to sort out the data after the data, even if it is combined example, then you need to use flash fill. So that is it about this video, guys. Hope to see you soon. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please comment and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share. Thank you for watching. See you next time.